હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આઈ એમ ભૂમિર સર. પ્લીઝ મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે, જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. Chapter 17 Swabhavikam Sadrishyam. Nearly 2600 years ago, Acharya Panini composed a book of grammar named Grammar of Sanskrit language, namely Ashtadhyayi. So, written in aphoristic style, Sutra Saili, formulas. So, Panini wrote this book, Ashtadhyayi, in formula style. The book has covered the whole grammar of Sanskrit language in approximately 4000 aphorisms, means 4000 formulas. Aphorisms means formulas. As it is believed that almost after 100 or 150 years, Acharya Panini, Acharya Kartikeya has written Vartik. Vartik means explicit of explanations or detailed description of these short formulas. Detailed description of short formulas. Then Kartikeya write this on these aphorisms, sutras. In this Vartik, deliberation have been done on these aphorisms. After another 100 or 150 years, on the base of aphorisms, Vartiks, great Patanjali has composed Bhashya Granthan, book of explanation, named Mahabhashya. The subject matter of present lesson has been chosen from this Mahabhashya. Famous by name Mahabhashya book, Acharya Patanjali is seemingly a book of grammar. Even then, during certain incident, various principles of social, political, economical, as well as those physical science like knowledge, physical science like astrology, geography have also been referred. This reference indicates the extensiveness of knowledge and science of that age. In this present lesson, the discussion over Panini's aphorisms Sthane Antataramah has shown how the suggestions have been made regarding the concern given to this principle in respect of relation of mutual behavior of human being, gravitations as well as of the fire on the land incorporating with sun. The method of subject of various scripture in this book discussing the grammar of language provides inspiration to become an expert in multiple scriptures. A student learning any one script or scripture should have knowledge of principle of various scriptures. Here this lesson is selected provide inspiration for such skill. Now glossaries. Siddhantah, principle or law. Updeshah, moral advice. Samajah, society. Samasah, having similar meal or similar food. Samvayah, conference gatherings. Pandu, yellowish or pale yellow. Matulah, maternal uncle. Pitruvyah, father's brother, uncle, kaka. Lostah, lump of clay. Nivatah, a place of space without wind. Pratitihi, conviction. Kriya, movement. Antaryam, immediate proximity or similarity. Gostheshu, in cowpens. अचेतनेषु इन नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट अस्य हिज येषां हुज विविधाः पदार्थाः डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स भिन्नेषु पदार्थेषु इन डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स कृशः थिन पीनः फैट एकम स्वाभाविकम आंतर्यम नेचुरल सिमिलैरिटी सामाजिक व्यवहारे इन सोशल डीलिंग निमंत्रिताः जनाः इन्वाइटेड पीपल स्वकीय मांत्रिकम समानत्वम one's own internal similarity made purposely gavadinam pashunam of animals cows etc अचेतनेषु पदार्थेषु in non living objects मानवीयम व्यवहारिकम सिद्धांतम principle related to human affairs. Now adverb तद्यथा just as naive not at all अर्थात as matter of fact आकारतः in appearance प्रकारतः in quality or kind तिर्यग oblique or cross ऊर्ध्वम above upwards अर्वाक downwards आंतर्यतः ड्यू टू सिमिलैरिटी अथ च मोर now compounds स्वर्ण लोहादय which is like gold and iron WH question बहुव्रीहि what खदिरादय which is like banyan and kher trees बहुव्रीहि again go घोटकादय which is like cow and horses again बहुव्रीहि अस्तित्व रूपेण which is in form of stability बहुव्रीहि सत्ता रूपेण which is in form of existence बहुव्रीहि अर्थ कृतम by money or intense by money or intense by with without तृतीया तत्पुरुष भोजन विदौ प्रोसेस ऑफ फूड ऑफ षष्ठी तत्पुरुष निकट आसनाः हु इज सिटिंग नियर WH क्वेश्चन बहुव्रीहि प्रयोजन कृतम बाय द इंटेंस बाय विथ विदाउट तृतीया तत्पुरुष मातुल कुलाः हु आर फ्रॉम मैटरनल फैमिली बहुव्रीहि अचेतनेषु word starting with a meaning is negative it means non living negative meaning so non tatpurush आकाश देशे place of space षष्ठी तत्पुरुष now participles कृतः did निमंत्रितः invited क्षिप्तः thrown सुप्रज्वलितं lighted well समागत्य कमिंग अप्रोचिंग गत्वा गोइंग आरोहति टू क्लाइंब सूचयति टू इन्फॉर्म स्वर्ण लौहादयो धातवः मेटल्स लाइक गोल्ड आयरन एक्सेट्रा वट खदिरादयो वृक्षाः ट्रीज लाइक बनियन खदीर एक्सेट्रा खैर गो घोटकादय पशवः बिट्स or animals like cows, horses, etc. Parasparam bhinnaha different from each other. Satta rupena bhinnaha santi iti are different in existence. Pratiyante are felt or ascertained. Ascertained means felt. We can feel. Pratyakshatah apparently kriyayam prayuktaha used in action द्वाविंशति शतवर्षेभ्य पूर्वम 2200 years ago आचार्येण पतंजलिना by पतंजलि स्वकीय व्याकरण महाभाष्ये in his book व्याकरण महाभाष्य आस्यतामिति उक्ते when it is said please sit नैव कृशाः कृशैः सह आसते Thin person do not sit with thin. Na Pandavah Pandubihi, not white or pale person with pale one. Kinchit little. Arthakrutam Antaryam, immediate proximity, nearness with some purpose. Taihi eva saha asate, sit with them only. Bhojan vidau pravrittihi, activity of eating or food. Samanatvam pashyantah, looking at similarity. Parasparam, to each other. Nikatasanaha, having a seat nearby. Bhavanti, become. Akarena kaschit krushaha, someone thin in appearance. Pinena saha, with fat. Kinchit arthkrutam, done with some purpose. Tam sadrashyam anusarant, following to that similarity. Upveshinaha, it means neighbor. Upveshi bihi saha, neighbors, sit with neighbors. Gavaha divasam charitavyo, cows grazing for whole day. Yaha yasyaha vatsa bhavati, that calf which is her. Tena saha serate, sleeps with it. Now, bahuvegam gatva, going up with speed. Naiva tiryak gacchati, does not go oblique. No, urdhvam arohati, does not go upward. Iti krutva, doing that. Prithivim eva agacchati, comes down towards the earth. Sadrashyatvat, due to similarity. Evam eva, in that way. Jyotisho vikaraha, light, the modification of sun. Archihi, ray of light. Akash deshe, in the sky. Na arvak arohati, does not descend down. Jyoti reva gacchati antaryat, goes towards light. Due to similarity. Gurudvakarsanasya siddhantam, to a law of gravitation. Parthivagnehe, of fire on the earth. Suryena saha, with the sun. Sambandhasya, of relation. Now sandhis, in first line the last one, ityukte and sahasate, both. In second line, second word tairaivaha, taihi plus eva. In fourth line, niyamo ayam, niyamaha plus ayam. And the last sandhi, gacchati antaryataha, gacchati plus antaryataha. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. ચેપ્ટર 17 in detail textbook. સંસારે વિવિધાઃ પદાર્થાઃ સંતિ. In this world there are various types of objects. Lot of objects in this world. तद्यथा स्वर्ण लौहादयो धातवः वट खदिरादयो वृक्षाः गो घोटकादयः पशवः च. ओके, नाउ एषु पुनः प्रत्येकं पदार्थाः भिन्नाः भिन्नाः भवन्ति. All these objects like Gold and iron, they are metals. Then banyan and care tree, these are trees. Cow and horse. Cow and horse are animals. But all these objects are different from each other. Tadyatha swarna lauhat binnam bhavati. So, gold is different from iron, but both are called metals. So, some similarity, some different are there in each and every object on the earth. अथ च प्रत्येकं सुवर्णखंडं परस्परम आकारेण प्रकारेण च भिन्नं भिन्नं भवति. Each and every piece of gold or ornament of gold are called differently. Okay, like this is a ring of gold, this is a chain of gold. So we can see, we cannot say this to ring, or we cannot say this a bangle. This is only ring, this is only chain. Okay, both of these are made from gold only. Now vastutah अस्तित्व रूपेण सत्ता रूपेण वा एति पदार्थाः परस्परं भिन्नाः सन्ति इति प्रतीयन्ते. In fact, it is experienced. The objects are different from each other when they are in activity. परंतु प्रत्यक्षतः परस्परं भिन्नेषु पदार्थेषु अपि किंचित एकं स्वाभाविकम् आन्तर्यम् अपि भवति. But this different object has some general similarity in them. ते पदार्थाः यदा क्रियायां प्रयुक्ताः भवन्ति तदा अस्य प्रतीतिः भवति. अस्य सिद्धान्तस्य उपदेश 22 शतवर्षेभ्यः पूर्वम् आचार्येण पतञ्जलिना स्वकीये व्याकरण महाभाष्ये कृतः. So, the mention of this principle is made before 2200 years ago by the great preceptor Patanjali in his own grammatical book Vyakaran Mahabhasya. There are narrates Samajesu Samasesu. Please take this paragraph. IMP for translation. Samajesu Samasesu Samvaeshu च आस्यताम इति उक्ते नैव कृशाः कृशैः सह आसते न पांडवः पांडुभिः येषाम् एव किंचित अर्थकृतम् आंतर्यम् तैरैव सह आसते. When one is told, please sit for food in meeting gatherings, and among the people having same food, the thin person do not sit with thin nor white. They sit with only those who have close relation of some kind with purpose. अर्थात सामाजिके व्यवहारे भोजनार्थे निमंत्रिता जनाः आकारतः प्रकारतश्च भिन्नाः भिन्नाः भवन्ति. परंतु यदा तेषां भोजनविधौ प्रवृत्ति भवति तदा ते स्वकीयमांत्रिकं समानत्वं पश्यन्तः परस्परं निकट आसनाः भवन्ति. But when they sit with each other, that means, that is said, people invited for lunch in social life are different in shape and types. But when they proceed for lunch, they sit close with one another, seeing their own inner similarity. आकारेण कश्चित् कृशः जनः कृशेन सह न तिष्ठति न तु पिनः पिनेन सह. परंतु येषां किंचित अर्थकृतम् अर्थात प्रयोजनकृतं सादृश्यं भवति तत्सादृश्यम् अनुसरन्तः तेव एव परस्परं निकट आसनाः भवन्ति. A man who is thin in shape do not sit with thin, similarly fat do not with fat. But among whom there is some similarity caused by purpose. Following that similarity only, those sit close to each other or one another. The member of family of maternal uncle sit with another member of maternal uncle. The paternal uncle with other paternal uncles, neighbors with other neighbors. So now Matul Kulaha, family of maternal uncle, sits with Matul Kulaihi. They only sit with maternal uncle. Pitruvyaha Pitruvyehi Saha Upveshinaha Upveshibihi Saha Tishtanti. So family of maternal uncle sit with maternal uncle, paternal uncle sit with paternal uncle, and neighbor sit with neighbor only. Evam eva gavadinam pashunam pravrittirbhavati गावो दिवसम चरितव्यो सायं काले गोष्ठेषु समागत्य यो यस्याः वत्सौ भवति तेन सह शेरते. Similarly, in animals like cows, sit with similar like cows also behave, having grazing whole day. When cow came back to their cow pen, they sleep with own ones. पोताना गवादीनाम एव अचेतनेषु अपि पदार्थेषु नियमो अयम दृश्यते. तद्यथा लोष्टः lump of clay क्षिप्तो बहुवेगम गत्वा, if we throw it upwards, बहुवेगम गत्वा नैव तिर्यक् गच्छति न ऊर्ध्वम् आरोहति. सः पृथिव्या विकारः वर्तते इति कृत्वा पृथिवीम् एव आगच्छति सादृश्यत्वात्. So this is the rule seen in non-living object also, like animals. For example, lump of clay when thrown having gone speedily does not go cross direction nor does it climb upwards. Being a part of earth, it comes back on the earth account of its similarity. Now, तथा ज्योतिषो विकारः अर्चिः आकाश देशे निवाते सुप्रज्वलितं नैव तिर्यक् गच्छति न अर्वाक् आरोहति. ज्योतिषो विकारो ज्योतिरेव गच्छति आंतर्यतः. Similarity, the flame of fire which is a part of sun lit well in the place where there is no wind does not go to horizontal direction nor does it go down. Being a part of sun, it goes upwards towards the sun only due to close relation. So this is the close relation of fire and sun. Now, एवं अत्र महाभाष्यकारा मानवीयं व्यवहारिकं सिद्धान्तं समुपदिशन्ति. तेन सह गुरुत्वाकर्षणस्य सिद्धान्तं पार्थिवाग्ने सूर्येण सह संबंधस्य च सिद्धान्तं सूचयन्ति. In this way, here the composer of Mahabhashya is instructing the principle of practical human life, and along with it he is also indicating the theory of gravitation and relation of fire on the earth with the sun. So in this, gravitation is described, but similarity and also the attraction, gravitation, which is found by Sir Isaac Newton in 17th century. This is before Christ 400. So we are the first to identify gravitation force. Also the attraction between sun and light, it is described in this book. So our Sanskrit books are too much valuable, but we don't have any type of value of it. So, this is the end of the 17th chapter.